Well, the posts are in. It did take about 6 hours, something like that. But we took a break in there. And it looks really good. It's nice and level. All the posts are nailed. At the bottom, they're just sitting on there, but there's enough pressure to hold them. I'd like to bring some silicone up and silicone them a little bit to the base at some point. But even that's not probably critical, because once I put the supports in, they shouldn't move. I took some time and cleaned the work area, picked up all the scraps, got them all in one area, cleaned this area out, piled up the lumber, and now we're going to start on the 1x8s that are 10 feet. They're usually about 10 foot too, so I need to make sure one end is square and then measure, square it off, and trim it to 10 feet. We did do one, we put a 10 footer up there. It is going to come out about correct, so we should be good there. I'm hoping that I can put my center post right here, and then the other two will be built into the corners here. So we should be good. I'm going to start cutting some of the 10 footers, and then I think I'll go in the wood shop and start cutting supports, which needs to be about 33, 34 inches. And I'll probably get a template for one and then make a bunch. Yeah, really I could make 2, 4, 6. I could make 6 for here. I actually could make the other 6 that are going to go here too, because they'll be the same measurement. So maybe I'll make one extra to serve as my template. And then I can start making the other ones too. So there's a lot of support. 4 for each post, so that's 12 supports right for there. But I can't put the 3 on that come out this way. I can't put them on until the rafters are on. Okay, looks great. Decided not to start putting the roof on until I have the main structure up. Then we'll start with the roof boards up here. Go down about 3 or 4 feet, put some aluminum on, do another 3 or 4 feet aluminum, and just work our way right down through. Okay. Some of the beautiful stone on here. Got some of this very precious stone from the rainforest, and I guess I can't get it anymore. Very cool stuff. Some carnival in there. And our posts are lined up to our rafter. It says it should be. Okay, let's get cutting for the next stage.